After you remove the swing arm and bearings from the motorcycle, place the old bearing over the cup with the spacer side down. Press and drive the spacer out of the bearing. Repeat on both bearings. Install the spacer into the new bearing. Simply lubricate it and press it in flush. Lubricate the bearing bore on the swing arm as well as the bearing. Insert the bearing into the swing arm with the spacer facing downward. Use your driver tool on the driver base shaft in the direction indicated, either brake side or drive side. Press the bearing into the bore until the shoulder of the tool contacts the swing arm. Lubricate the bearing bore on the other side of the swing arm. Make sure you turn the driver tool around to indicate either drive or brake side. Place the bearing and the tool into the bore with the spacer facing downward. Press the bearing into the bore until the shoulder of the tool contacts the swing arm.